For the past 4 to 5 years, I've been dealing with an issue with my 2014 Mustang where the horn just sounds like a clown horn. Terrible, isn't it? The thing doesn't work great, and it doesn't really sound that mature whenever I'm having to honk at anybody. And also, it just sounds really weird, and people aren't going to take me seriously. What we're going to be putting in today is a brand new horn. Well, not really new. We actually went to the pick apart, picked that off, got it for around $13, while the other ones brand new online are going for about $40, $45, and if you're lucky, you might find some on eBay for at least $20 or more. So I felt like we got a good deal on this, and from my understanding, the low horn on this car, there's a low horn and there's a high horn, and you'll see right here, there's an H, and then you'll see right here, there's an L. That means low and high. This right here, I'm pretty sure the high horn works, low horn, not so much. I drove through a rain puddle one time, and that was the last time. That worked. So, the only issue with this is that if you look closely, this bracket here, I don't even know how it's supposed to be, but I bent it back into place because it was all pushed over to the left. So, when this previous car got into an accident, it bent this bracket. So, there's a chance that this bracket may not work, or I may be able to put this bracket on and have no issues at all. Worst case scenario though is I could always just remove this nut back here depending on which one is a low and high horn, and I could just swap it out with the bracket that's already good on my car. But first we gotta go ahead and shove some ramps under the wheels and jack the car up because my skinny ass still can't fit under this little shovel of mine. So that's the first step we gotta take. Oh, nice. Ooh, that's hard to do without hands. So here's the one that was on the car, and here is the one that came from pick apart. This one looks a little bit nicer because I put some back to black on there. This one literally just came off the car. But I will say that I do like the back a lot more on mine compared to this. This one's a little rough, and I may grab some sandpaper just to clean it up a little bit because my OCD will go crazy. After looking at that, I may just change the brackets out from here to here, because mine is in way better shape than this one is. But I'll still hold on to this just in case I want to use it. But knowing this just came right off and it was working good and it was with the original car, I definitely want to keep that bracket. So great news, the horn works. It actually sounds like a real horn now. So happy about that. And it kind of feels weird in a way because this horn has been so high pitched for so long that I've been so used to it now that this just feels like it's not right, even though it's correct. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully this solved your horn problem if you're trying to replace it, or if you're dealing with the same issues I did. All it was just replacing the horn. Thank you guys all so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.